What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and today I'm going to be going over how you can research whatever job you want to get. This might be before you major into something or before you graduate. If you just want to learn more about the job that you want to get and also how to get it. So I want to be showing you how to do this step by step, and we're going to be using a website that I found a couple of days ago, and I've been looking around, and I want to show you guys how to use it step by step. And I know it's not sponsored by this website, but if you're watching, you're more than welcome to. We're going to go ahead and jump onto the website, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So this is the website. The name is Azipia.com. I think that's how you say it, but the link is going to be in the description below, so you can just click on that and go to the website. This is what you're going to see once you go to the website, and I'm going to go ahead and go to where it says career research here, and I want to click where it says job titles, because a lot of people just know what jobs they want to do and they have an idea. So I think this is the easiest way to search for jobs here. So I'm going to click job titles, and this is for any job title that you want to do, but I'm familiar with business and financial analyst and accounting, so that's what I'm going to stick to for this example that I'm going to be using. All right, so once you go here, you're going to see that you can search by job title, and you also need to search by the city that you're trying to work in, right? I'm gonna go ahead and type in finance analyst, so something like that, and you can change the city here or whatever city you live in. Go ahead and put that on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and click search here. The first thing I always look at is gonna be the jobs here. So if you look on jobs, you're gonna see that there's a lot of jobs here, and that these are jobs that are around me. And the cool thing is that it actually tells you how much you make, the kind of like the range of how much money you're gonna make. When you look on this page, it kind of like gives you an idea of what the job market is like in your city or in the city that you're trying to work in, right? So for this, I can see that there's a lot of positions open, and even if you look on some of these, you can see that these are new jobs that have been posted within the past week or so, right? So this tells you that companies are looking for people that are able to work in this position. So that's the first thing I look at. Now, the most important thing that a lot of people might want to look at is going to be the salary here. So this is going to be how much are you going to get paid. So this is going to obviously differ depending on the the industry, the city, the state, things like that. So this is going to tell you here. So location, industry, and education. Those are the three biggest factors of how much you're going to get paid. So the average salary is $72,000, and this was updated on July 8, 2021. What I like about this website is that it is actual people that get to upload how much they're getting paid, how many years they've worked, in what industry they work in, and also the location. So this is as close to accurate as it's going to get. From here, you can see that the lower end of this is $47,000, which is really accurate if you're just beginning to start working in finance or anything finance related. $47,000 is pretty normal. Sometimes you might even get to $50,000, which is pretty normal, and it goes all the way up to $110,000, which is maybe when you are a director or once you go to those VP positions, you're going to be making way more money. And you can even go down here where it's going to tell you, the name of the state, the average salary, and the hourly rate. Now, moving on to the next tab, which is going to be the resume page. All right, so this page is going to provide you with a great resume example of how you can put your finance analyst internships or experience, or how you can build a resume that's related to being a financial analyst. So this is a great example. You can look through this, and you don't have to use whatever template they have on here, and you can actually create your resume on here. I don't know if it's free or not. I've never tried it. So moving on to the next one, which is skills. So this one is not really is important, but if you're looking to see what skills are needed in the industry, and you can see that the top one is financial statements over here, and followed by financial models and special project, things like that. So you can even read about these in depth on how they're used in finance. All right, so moving on to the next page, which is what they do. If you kind of want to learn more about a job on what they do, I think they do a great job of explaining a lot of things. Even though you can go into different fields as a financial analyst, I feel like they do a great job of kind of generalizing everything. And you can go to education here, and this is going to go over the educational requirements that are needed to work as a financial analyst. And you can even look at the degrees you should get. You see that a lot of people here have bachelor's degrees, not a lot of people have master's degrees. And it also goes over some of the majors that you can take to to become a financial analyst. Not that you have to take only these majors, but these are going to give you good enough training to become a financial analyst. So you see the first one is business, accounting, finance, and economics. But you could be an art major and be a financial analyst as long as you're willing to learn. Going on to the next one, which is going to be the certifications. If you're planning on just getting your bachelor's degree and get some certifications, this page is going to give you a great start as to which certifications you should get. So the most common certification here is going to be a CPA, so certified public accountant, and and you can even look at the other ones here. So CPA, obviously, you also have a CFA, and there's a lot of certifications that you can do. You can even click on this to read more about the certifications themselves. Now, if you go to more on here, you can even look at some of the demographics, just some of the extra information. If this is something that matters to you, you can even look through this, and you can look at remote jobs if you're looking into that. And you can see that there is a lot of remote jobs. All right, so that is how you research a job before you actually started, or sometimes before you even go to college. If you're looking into picking a major, I feel like this is a great website. If you want to be an engineer, you're going to be able to search that information on here, and you're going to be able to decide. You're going to have the facts, and they're going to guide you to see if it's a great major for you, or if it's something that you want to do, or if it's enough money for you that you want to make. That is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to add anything else to this, if you know any other websites, make sure to go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next one.